Welcome to Daily CoinCu Crypto News. Here are today's headlines. Take a look at 5 promising play-to-earn games coming soon. YouTube deletes and restores the channel of Bitcoin bull Anthony Pompliano. Billionaire Bill Miller supports Bitcoin, but doubts altcoins. BitMEX CEO predicts that Bitcoin will be legal tender in 5 countries by 2022. Pegexy, PGX, VIS a closer look at tokenomics. Now let's dive into the details of these. Take a look at 5 promising play-to-earn games coming soon. Axie's growth shows a growing demand for blockchain games. Several play-to-earn games came out in the past year. While some failed, others like Gods Unchained, CryptoBlades, Splinterlands, and Arc 8 gained tremendous momentum. Many of those who started playing these games early have made significant profits, so crypto speculators and gamers alike will have to look for the next big hit. The following list includes 5 of the most promising titles to date: Light Knight, Sandpit, Star Atlas, Illuvium, Guild of Guardians. YouTube deletes and restores the channel of Bitcoin bull Anthony Pompliano. The video sharing platform YouTube removed the 251,000 subscriber channel of Anthony Pompliano, co-founder of Morgan Creek Digital and presenter of the Pomp podcast, before the channel was restored. 11 update on his Twitter account. Pompliano, a Bitcoin (BTC) bull known for his interviews in which skeptics and others are educated about crypto speak, he received a message from YouTube claiming that a recently streamed interview with streamed modeler Plan B encouraged illegal activity. Pompliano's entire channel was inactive for about 2 hours before being brought back to the platform, with all of the BTC and crypto videos open to the public. Billionaire Bill Miller supports Bitcoin, but doubts altcoins. Bill Miller, a veteran Wall Street investor and founder of Miller Value Partners, advocated the advancement of Bitcoin, BTC, in a recent conversation with author William Green, but expressed skepticism about many altcoins born in 2017. Miller accepts the well-documented thesis that Bitcoin represents digital gold, and unlike many of his financial contemporaries, Warren Buffett is the most prominent. He is an interested investor in the digital asset space. BitMEX CEO predicts that Bitcoin will be legal tender in 5 countries by 2022. Countries in developing countries will soon follow El Salvador and make Bitcoin, BTC, legal tender, BitMEX CEO Alexander Hopner recently predicted. According to Hopner, developing countries will accept Bitcoin faster due to 3 main factors: the growing demand for cheaper and faster international money transfers, massive inflation, and political problems. Pegexy, PGX, VIS a closer look at tokenomics. PGX, alias Pegexy Stone, is an ERC20 token built on Polygon, formerly known as Matic, Layer 2, a scaling solution for the Ethereum platform that facilitates fast, secure, and cheaper transactions on the network. As the name says, Pegexy, Pegasus Galaxy, is a play-to-earn platform for enjoying thrilling Pega racing followed by a futuristic mythological mode. Pegexy is a unique and exciting NFT-based game built on a dual economic model, providing the user with 2 kinds of native tokens: governance token, PGX, and utility token, VIS.